I'm Jamie, and this is Dan. We're two frugal dreamers trying to turn this 1997 International Fire Crew transport bus into the mobile tiny home of our dreams. And you've got a front row seat to all the highs, lows, and moments in between on this wild ride we call bus life.
We also got some more deliveries this week. Got a large tube. FedEx guy must love us with how many big ass deliveries there are. So this is an awning rail. Going to install that onto the side of the truck. And we slide the awning into that. Install the feet. Do all the other stuff. We'll have an awning. There's one leg. Or those connect to the top. Those connect to the bottom. 10-foot awning. $85. Can't get a better price than that. Walk up the ladder with this end. You're gonna lift that end up. We're gonna feed the rail in. We're gonna get it about halfway in. We're gonna take that leg out, and then we're moving it to this side. And then we're gonna continue to feed it in, and we'll attach it.
Get the hell off my property, bitch. I don't want you in here.
Careful, careful.
I believe they call that the old switcheroo.
For the old switcheroo.
has added an outdoor patio area.